Akosuah tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosuah's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I made the simple and delicious homemade pizza. So please stay tuned and let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I added 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything together and then go ahead and add 2/3 cups of warm water, not hot water, okay? And then mix until you form a dough. Add the water gradually until a dough is formed. Once a dough is formed, go ahead and then sprinkle some flour on your working top and then start kneading the dough until it's soft and fluffy.
Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Tasty recipe.
At this point, the dough is ready, so I'll go ahead and get my mixing bowl and then add a teaspoon of oil and then place the dough inside and cover and allow it to rise for 30 minutes. The next thing I'm going to do is to prep my toppings. So I'm using green bell pepper, red bell pepper, white onions, and beef sausage. You can use any protein of your choice and you can add any other vegetables that you think you want to add to your pizza, okay?
Akosuah tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Okay, so at this point the dough has also risen and then the toppings are ready. So I'm going to go ahead and then assemble everything into a delicious pizza. So I will just sprinkle some flour on my working top and then I'll bring the dough here and then try to knead it a little bit and then stretch it with a rolling pin, okay? And then I'm going to transfer this on my pizza pan, all right? Yes, and then I'll try to stretch it to the edges of the pizza pan until it's uniformly or nicely stretched. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to use a fork to make some holes. This helps the dough to cook faster, okay? And then I'm going to bake this for 5 minutes. So the next thing I'll be doing is to shred my cheese. I'm just going to use the normal grater that we have at home, and then I'm going to grate it finely until everything is done.
Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Okay, now the cheese is done, so let's go ahead and then bring the dough. It's also ready, okay? Yes, so this is a mixture of my stew and ketchup. So if you have stew at home, you can use that. It's simple. Just mix it with your ketchup, or you can also purchase pizza sauce from the supermarket, okay? But I think the stew gives it a unique flavor. So just spread it on the pizza dough and then go ahead and put some cheese, and then you proceed with any toppings of your choice. As I said, so I have some shredded grilled chicken breast. Yes, so just put it on top and then follow the steps that I'm just doing. It doesn't have any format or sequence to follow. Just go ahead and then put your toppings on, and then once you're done, you will have to bake this, okay? So stay tuned and then enjoy the music whilst I put the toppings on the pizza.
Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Ediani na bio yebeti. Ediani na bio yebeti. Ediani na bio yebeti. Ediani na bio yebeti. Banku shita kenke. Yebeti ediani plenty. Banku shita kenke. Yebeti ediani plenty. Put on your lighter, then on your stove, we making it brighter. We take.
So now everything is done, so preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes the pizza is out of the oven, and then it smells so good. The crust is also soft. So I'm going to go ahead and slice and show you how delicious and how soft this pizza looks like. You can just have a pizza at home than spending much outside. Look at how it is. It tasted so delicious, and then it's very simple to make, as you all can see. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and please stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. God bless you all. Bye.